Welcome to Theme Thursday on Food Talk with Sharon. Yes, it's December. And what is the theme for this month? Well, it's Christmas time. And all my recipes this month are catering that festival season. So I'm not having a particular theme for just the Thursdays, but the entire month of December is Christmas recipes. So let's quickly get started today. Now today we are going to make a lemon cake. Well, in fact, all Thursdays I'm going to share with you the recipe of a cake. So lemon seems like a good thing to start with. Let's quickly check out the recipe. But before we do that, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And please do turn on all notifications by clicking that bell icon too. Let's now move on to the ingredients. To make this lemon cake, I've taken some butter at room temperature, and into this, we'll add some caster sugar. Let's just whisk it. You can use your beater or a whisk and whisk it till it's nice and smooth. So into this, let's add eggs, some lemon rind, and some lemon juice. So whisk this again. Now into this goes in the dry ingredients. So I'm adding some baking powder into the flour and then adding it to this mix. And some salt. Just mix this before you add it to the batter. Use a spoon or spatula to mix the flour into the batter. You can just fold it in. And at this stage, let's also add the last ingredient, which is some milk. Just make sure there are no dry streaks of flour in this. And there you go. Your batter for the lemon cake is ready. I'm using a loaf tin to bake this lemon cake. My oven is already preheating at 180 degrees Celsius. And this cake would take around 45 minutes. So the top will be brown and a skewer inserted comes out clean. So don't wait for it to be too brown. Once it starts changing color and if the skewer inserted comes out clean, it's ready to come out. While the cake is getting baked, let's first prepare the lemon syrup, which is poured on the hot cake as soon as it comes out of the oven. For this, I'm adding icing sugar. I'm taking some lemon juice. Mix this well and heat it on a low flame till the sugar is dissolved. Keep this aside and now let's move on to preparing the glaze for this cake. The glaze again is prepared using icing sugar and lemon juice. You just have to mix it up well and keep it aside. You can pour it on top of the cake once the cake cools down. The cake is ready now. While it's hot, let's poke it with a skewer and pour the lemon syrup that we had prepared first. Let the cake soak in that syrup and cool down in the tin itself. And now that our lemon cake has cooled down, let's serve it with some glaze that we have prepared. Hope you guys enjoy this cake as much as I do.